Hi, to change language of your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, we would need to press and hold this down button on the watch till we see this menu appears on the screen. So if you set different language and now you understand nothing, then simply follow these instructions. Here, select the last tab, which is Settings. Here, scroll down and also select this last tab, which is System. And now scroll to the end and select the fourth tab from the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply go in here and you'll see the list of languages from which you can choose. Let me select Russian, for example. For that, I'm gonna tap it. And now it is setting Russian language, so let's test it. I'm gonna press the button and yep, everything is on Russian language now. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.